Good. So what we have here is our volume and our input knob. And the special thing on this is, if you look at it, it's built out of a massive aluminum block. And we just, we have a ball bearing here, and we have to drill from massive aluminum block down to have this small part here, which gives you the feeling you have on an AVM device. I can even show you here on a front panel how it looks like, and that's the feeling which we wanted to create for the customer. Because if you look inside, it's quite cool done, because we have the ball bearing which fits exactly to the hole, and then you get this massive knobs here. You can even take our devices, and I wouldn't do it because it's chrome and you will probably get some scratches, but you can even put our devices on the front panel and nothing happens there. It cannot break, and that's one of the features which the customers don't see, but in the first step, of course, but what we do for them just to get that brilliant feeling when you switch or turn up or turn down the volume.